Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making one of my party's favorites, cheeseburger egg rolls, guys. They are mouth-watering. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to make our Big Mac sauce by adding some mayo into a bowl. Next, add your sweet relish. Add your yellow mustard. Add your white vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, ketchup, paprika, and some salt. Now give that a good mix. Just like so. Now give it a taste, make sure that the salt is good. So now I'm going to place this in the fridge. Now for the egg rolls, we are going to chop some pickles. And for these egg rolls, you can use as much pickles or as little pickles as you would like. Now dice your onion. Now set it aside. Over medium heat in a large skillet, we're going to add our ground beef. So I am going to use some grilled thyme burger rub seasoning because I want this meat to taste like we just pull it off the grill. So I am going to season it with that and some grilled Mates Applewood seasoning. I want this to be smoky and flavorful. Now go ahead and give that a good mix. And we're going to cook this meat until it's no longer pink. Now that it's no longer pink, we're going to add our onion. Give that a stir. And let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how my meat is looking. It's looking really good. Now go in and taste it to see if it needs any additional seasoning. That's good. So I don't need to add anything else. If yours is lacking in salt, go in and add more of the Applewood Rub. So as you can see, this had produced a lot of oil. So what I'm going to do is just grab some paper towel. Please do not burn yourself. I'm just gonna dip it in here and soak up all that oil, just like so. Now go ahead and let this cool completely. While we wait for our meat to cool, I am going to crack 1 egg into a bowl. Add a splash of water. Give that a good whisk. Just like so. Now set this aside. Now place one of your egg roll wrapper on a plate or a cutting board. Grab your egg wash and we're just going to brush the edges. Now grab your favorite cheddar cheese and we're going to place that right in the middle. Take your ground beef and we're going to place that right in the middle. Take your pickles and we're just going to drop a few right on top. Now we are going to roll. And we're just going to seal it. Just like so. Now we are going to place it on a cookie sheet. Here are some of my egg rolls. So since we are going to be placing them in the air fryer, so I am going to brush 3. Since I will be placing 3 in the air fryer. And by brushing them with the egg wash, it will give them a nice golden color on top. We are going to preheat the air fryer to 350. Now we are going to carefully place our egg rolls in here. We are going to stick it back in the air fryer and we're just going to cook them for 10 minutes. Hello guys, so my cheeseburger egg rolls are ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? To show you guys how crispy these are. Take a look. And of course my mouth is watering and I have to dig in and check out my Big Mac sauce. I'm going to dip that in here. So good. And this is so easy to put together, guys. No oil involved, no getting burned, just an air fryer. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.